Hello and a warm welcome to It's My Life, the program that brings you face to face with country's top politicians. This week we are in the hill state of Uttarakhand, tracking the leader who is on the driver's seat of the state. Let's meet veteran Congress leader and Chief Minister Harish Rawat this time. Day begins for the 68-year-old Chief Minister with a small workout on the treadmill. Having suffered a neck fracture and a minor back injury in a 2014 car accident, for Harish Rawat, morning exercise is a must, but with a cautious approach. While Rawat gets ready, hordes of people wait at his Bijapur guest house residence. MLAs, ministers, all to discuss issues of the state. Rawat has work on his mind 24/7, even while having his morning breakfast. It's only official meetings and meetings alone. Time now to go to the Secretariat and hold a few more meetings. And then, of course, being hounded by the media for sound bites on the day-to-day development of the state issues. Hop onto your chopper. Let me ask you, who's your favorite film star? The actor.
राजेश खन्ना।
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया।
What about the actress?
No. Actress, of course, I'm a big fan of Rekha.
इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं, मस्ताने हजारों हैं।
Rekha is so much in power. I mean, though she doesn't attend the house so regularly, but now since she's a parliamentarian herself, have you made efforts to touch base with her? Have you spoken to her ever in parliament when you were there?
When they came for the first time, I was Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, also State Minister for Parliamentary.
So you did express your admiration for her at that time?
No, on that, for their first visit to take oath as a member of parliament, I was there. I was part of
But tell us honestly,
organizing
Mr.
this all.
Rawat, did you express your admiration for her at that time?
Oh no. Now for last 30 or 35 years, I haven't seen any film.
Oh my God,
haven't
this is so
seen,
unbelievable. You haven't got a film in the last 35 years.
35, maybe 40 years.
40
I
years.
will not find any time to see films. Huh?
But you mean to say that you don't even catch a glimpse at home?
Still, I have seen some parts of some little portions of some films. I have not seen any film of Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan, Amir Khan. I have missed many things. When I will find after my retirement from politics time, I will certainly go through that, how they were called. So,
all what you missed all these years. But Mr. Rawat, I swear so much of work is not good.
I'm one of the admirer of Amitabh Bachchan also.
Okay.
We have been together in the parliament and but I haven't seen his film. People talk about his films, but I haven't seen. But I will certainly like to see one film, The Sholay, which is much admired.
But you don't feel that you've lost out on anything, not watching films, not...
Yes, certainly I feel. I feel.
You do feel that?
I feel. This is a part of life, and you are missing something which should be the part of, which is part of life. This is not good.
But now we are heading off to Mussoorie, where Mr. Rawat has to attend a child conference. Chief Minister has to cover all regions of the hill state on separate days. Now at a school in Mussoorie. In between his busy schedule, Chief Minister manages to shuttle between Dehradun and Delhi for important meetings. We are at the Dehradun airport where his flight is about to arrive from the national capital. Mr. Rawat, you've just come back from Delhi and shuttling between Dehradun and Delhi just on one single day. How challenging is it really, because you're shuttling between various meetings?
It was not only between Delhi and Dehradun.
Yeah.
It was from Dehradun to Khatima.
So in Delhi, were you able to meet your family?
No, I could not.
Oh my God.
I could not.
This age, how do you really gather all this energy at this age?
It's the duty. It's the duty. If you cannot fulfill, then say, oh, namaste. Nobody,
So what drives you
nobody
really?
has prayed me that you become our chief minister.
So is it loads of milk? Is it loads of dry fruits? What do you really bank on for the energy?
Nothing. Simply on water, tea, and whatever the simple
chapatis and vegetables.
Simple food I could.
And you're a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian?
And I'm altarian. Altarian, yeah.
Have
to the situation.
Have you been
now.
able to readjust yourself to Twitter, to social media?
If I will not, then I will perish.
But so one question which really has been baffling me, and I've been wanting to ask you for many years, is that your contemporaries like Ghulam Nabi Azad, then you Bhupender Singh Hooda, the CM-ship came to them quite early in their political career, but for you it came quite late. So what was the experience like? Obviously you had been harboring the ambitions for quite some time, but this thing came quite late to you.
In politics, sometimes luck also plays a role.
Okay.
It has also a role to play.
Okay.
I was lucky to be in the parliament when I was quite young.
Okay.
But I lost at a very crucial time.
Okay.
In 1991,
Right.
I was in the 9th Lok Sabha. I was quite active. I was party whip, this and all. I was involved in each and every affair of the party. And if I have won in 1991 election, so maybe the chief ministership or everything may have come much earlier to me also. But I lost that time. In 1989, when I won election, at the time some of my good colleagues who became future leaders, they lost. But I lost at a crucial time. So this is how the luck plays a trick with you.
Okay. Energizing the youths and politically motivating them is a very big task before Harish Rawat. We are at an NSUI meeting which is being presided over by the Chief Minister. Let's go in there. The political activities is another priority and area of interest for Harish Rawat. What is the biggest challenge for you right now at the moment, to overcome the basic problems of Uttarakhand? What is the biggest challenge for you?
There are two problems. One is related to make certain policy changes.
Okay.
Or say the directional changes about our developmental approach.
Okay. And you wouldn't say that the problems of Uttarakhand would be similar to problems of Himachal, maybe because it's a hill state?
Not in an identical manner, but there are similarities. But at the same time, we are a bit different than what Himachal is.
But so with your busy schedule, how are you really managing your time? Because your family is in Delhi and you're managing the entire state here in Dehradun. How much time are you really able to spend with your family at the moment?
For family now, my son and daughter, they are grown up. My wife is an intelligent person. She is from a political family. That's why
She's able to manage the house.
She manages the most of the family or problem related to your social environment.
But she never complains that
And
my husband is
I
not
have to
there.
only address the problem being faced by the state.
But your wife has never been complaining that you don't spend too much of time with her?
I keep on talking to her. This is one area where I am not fulfilling my duty.
Okay.
I must admit.
You made a candid admission.
I'm a culprit.
Any particular moment, maybe from your childhood, if you could remember, and you would want to talk about any particular incident you really remember, which is etched in your mind of your childhood when you spent time in the villages?
When I was a student, I used to go 3-4 kilometers to have a primary education, then the middle education. In between 2-3 villages were, and we used to steal fruits etc. from trees here and there.
Which fruit you stole, you said?
That is sometime apple,
Oh.
sometime adu, khumani. I think it is
So you've stolen all these fruits?
all time. But if
And you also
it has
remember being
happened-
bashed by some apple.
if it has happened today, so hell would have broken. But at that time,
But when you
people
stole the
used to-
apple,
people were
were
so
you-
simple.
but so
They
why-
used to come to my father saying that your son and his colleagues are doing this kind of mischief. So my father
you got beaten also at that time?
used to scold us, and sometime he used to beat us also. Then they intervene. No, they are bachas. Let them do. In future they will not do it. It is enough.
But your first entry into politics basically was as a block pramukh.
Not as block pramukh. Initially, when I was in...
But how did you get interested in politics?
When I was a student of intermediate, then I come to in contact with a CPI activist. He was a journalist also, with a local paper. And he started influencing me and as a social activist. Then I used to write some article also in his newspaper. Then I became some sort of small town student leader. Then I went to Lucknow University. So then this entire
platform became bigger for you.
Bigger for me. And then I came into contact with several youth leaders of that time. Now most of them are in public life at important places in other parties also, in my party also. And then from
Gradually the journey
that,
came
then I joined politics.
Now with the anniversary celebration of Maharana Pratap.
बच्चों, अब ये बताओ आज किस महापुरुष का जन्मदिन है? महाराणा प्रताप का। ये अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, आपका नाम क्या है? सुहेब। और मेरा नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम खाली हरीश रावत है।
Time for a short break. Don't go away. We'll come back with plenty more on It's My Life with Harish Rawat. Back in a moment. Joining me now is Harish Rawat's wife, Renuka Rawat, and her daughter, Aarti Rawat. Welcome, both of you, on It's My Life.
थैंक यू
रेणुका जी, आपसे शुरुआत करेंगे. हरीश रावत जी की जो पूरी जो राजनीतिक जो अभी तक का उनका दौर है, सारा टाइम वो मैदान में रहते हैं, आपने भी उनको पूरा हेल्प किया है, तो कितना टाइम एक दूसरे से के साथ बिता पाते हैं?
अब पॉलिटिकल हैं दोनों ही, मैं भी राजनीति करती हूँ, पति भी राजनीति करते हैं, तो राजनीति करने में तो साथ होता ही है, लेकिन एज ए फैमिली जैसे कि पिता का साथ चाहिए बच्चों को, मुझे पति के रूप में बहुत कम समय दे पाते हैं, लेकिन मैं यूज्ड टू हूँ क्योंकि एक पॉलिटिकल फैमिली से हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा नहीं लगता।
बहुत सारी लेडीज़ ये बोलती हैं कि एक परिवार में एक ही नेता काफ़ी है
जी,
तो आप इस बात से सहमत हो?
हाँ, मैं इस बात से पूरी तरह सहमत हूँ, क्योंकि अगर दोनों नेता हो जाएंगे तो फिर घर कौन देखेगा, लेकिन परिस्थितिवश कई बार मुझे भी लड़ने पड़ते हैं चुनाव।
लेकिन जब आप भी मैदान में हो, हरीश जी भी मैदान में है, तो घर कैसे चलता है?
ये बच्चे देख लेते हैं, सर्वेंट होते हैं, सब देखने के लिए परिवार में सारे पारिवारिक मेंबर है जिनका पूरा सहयोग है।
अच्छा,
मेरे परिवार में सास,
तो आपकी पूरी
देरानी,
जॉइंट
जेठानी,
फैमिली है जिसकी
पूरी
वजह
जॉइंट
से-
फैमिली है हमारी, तो सबका कोऑपरेशन है,
पर
कोई भी
आरती,
ऐसा नहीं है।
आप जब छोटे थे, अभी तो आप मैरिड हो, सेटल्ड हो, लेकिन जब आप छोटे थे तो कितना टाइम स्पेंड कर पाते थे अपने मम्मी पापा
बहुत
के
कम
साथ?
कर पाते थे,
तो-
ज़्यादा से वक्त नहीं मिलता था।
तो आप लोग का स्कूल, कॉलेज वो
हम
सब
खुद ही
पूरा
करते थे,
खुद से
और
पढ़ाई
थोड़ा
होती थी?
मम्मी ने भी किया हेल्प,
हम्म।
और पापा ने भी किया जहाँ तक हो सकता था उनसे।
नहीं, जैसे जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, जैसे पेरेंट टीचर्स मीटिंग में बच्चों के जाना है, या कोई फंक्शन हो गया स्कूल का उसमें जाना है, तो बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ होगा कि दोनों नहीं आ पाए होंगे?
तो मम्मी ने हेल्प की है ज़्यादा।
अच्छा,
लेकिन स्टाफ मेंबर जाते थे जी।
तो जिस टाइम पे नहीं आ पाते थे हरीश रावत जी, तो योर मदर इंश्योर्ड दैट शी वाज देयर फॉर द फंक्शन। जहाँ तक हरीश रावत जी का जो राजनीतिक करियर है उसका सवाल है, चीफ मिनिस्टरशिप उनके लाइफ में बहुत देर से आई, जबकि उनके बहुत सारे कंटेम्प्रेरीज से, हमने उनसे ये सवाल भी किया था कि उनके बहुत सारे कंटेम्प्रेरीज चीफ मिनिस्टर बन गए थे, तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये लगता है कि ये चीज़ बहुत पहले इनके जीवन में आ जानी चाहिए थी? बिकॉज ही इज़ अ वेरी रिस्पेक्टेड लीडर इन उत्तराखंड, कांग्रेस इज़ डूइंग वेल, सो द चीफ मिनिस्टरशिप शुड हैव कम टू हिम वेरी अर्ली। डू यू फील दैट?
ये पूरा रिवाज ही है कांग्रेस में कि जो प्रदेश अध्यक्ष होगा उसी को सीएम बनाया जाएगा, लेकिन 2002 में जब हमने एब्सोल्यूट मेजोरिटी ले ली राज्य में, तो उस समय हरीश रावत जी को मुख्यमंत्री न बना के पंडित नारायण दत्त तिवारी जी को मुख्यमंत्री बनाया गया, जो कि बहुत ही शॉक्ड था, शॉकिंग था हम लोगों के लिए। लेकिन फिर जैसे तैसे हम लोगों ने वो 5 साल काटे, फिर 2007 में बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट आ गई, फिर 2012 में दोबारा कांग्रेस को लाए हम लोग, तो उस समय विजय बहुगुणा जी को सीएम बना दिया, तो वो भी हमारे लिए बहुत शॉकिंग था हमारे लोगों के लिए, लेकिन देर आए दुरुस्त आए।
अच्छा, अब रेणुका जी ये बताइए कि आगे आने वाला समय आप कैसे देखती हैं और क्या कामना करती हैं हरीश रावत जी के लिए?
अब आगे आने वाले समय में तो मैं यही सोचूंगी कि वो और आगे बढ़ें राजनीति में, और क्योंकि वो जितने मेहनती आदमी हैं, जितने वो कर्मठ हैं, जितनी उनकी सादगी और व्यवहार कुशलता, इन सब का सामंजस्य है उनके चरित्र में, तो मैं ये चाहूँगी कि वो और आगे बढ़ें, जिस सीढ़ी को भी वो पार कर सकें, मैं सदैव उनके साथ हूँ।
कभी आपके मन में नहीं आया कि मैं भी मुख्यमंत्री बन जाऊं?
ना, कभी नहीं, ये ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना, एक ही आदमी तो रहेगा। अभी आपने ही पहले प्रश्न किया था कि एक ही आदमी चल सकता है, अगर दो मैदान में आएंगे तो क्लैशिंग हो जाएगी।
नहीं, मुझे वो अमिताभ बच्चन की अभिमान वाली स्टोरी भी याद आ
हाँ, वही
गई थी,
चीज़।
तो वो
जब
कभी
वो-
ऐसा सीन नहीं आया कि आप लोगों में कंपटीशन ऐसा कुछ
कभी नहीं
देखने को मिला?
कभी नहीं। जब मुझे लगता है कि इनको मुझसे परेशानी ना हो जाए,
ओके,
कई बार ऐसा होता है।
तो उस समय आप अपने आप को पीछे
हाँ,
खींच
जैसे
लेती?
अभी होली का त्यौहार हमने देहरादून में मनाया, तो होली के लिए मीडिया वाले अंदर आ गए, उन्होंने कहा नहीं हमको तो मैम का बाइट लेनी है, आपकी हो गई आप मैम की लेंगे, तो मैंने साहब के फेस को देख लिया था कि वो नहीं चाह रही थी कि मैं बाइट दूँ, तो मैंने एकदम देखा तो मैं एकदम कमरे में चली गई और मैंने अंदर से चिटकन लगा दिया और वो कर दिया। वो बड़बड़ाते रहे बाहर से, मैम एक बाइट दीजिए, मैंने कहा मैं समझ गई कि वो नहीं चाहती कि हम लोग बाइट दें, तो हम लोग आंखों से भी समझ जाते हैं एक दूसरे की कि वो नहीं चाह रहे थे कि ऐसे होली के दिन क्या बाइट
मतलब
देनी है।
आंखों में इशारे
हाँ,
कर
हम
लेते हैं,
लोग
लेकिन
समझ
बैठ
जाते
के
हैं।
बात करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता।
बिल्कुल नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं।
चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच रेणुका जी, एंड थैंक यू सो मच आरती फॉर कमिंग ऑन इट्स माय लाइफ। इट वाज अ प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू बोथ ऑफ यू। Away from his family, Rawat keeps touring the jungles, understanding the problems of the farmers.
At least if I am having a 2-3 program in a district, so one I prefer to have in some village, so in some rural area, at least one.
And what about your lunch and your maybe your evening tea? How does that happen then?
No.
In the village?
Yeah, in village I enjoy village food. In fact, as far food habits and living habits are concerned, I am a perfect villager. I am no problem.
But when you say you're a perfect villager, you love to eat with hands. Like you're gonna have dal chawal now with the hands or with the spoon?
No, but I definitely I prefer to eat with spoon because I don't want to waste more pani. But because this is a facility.
Right.
But anyway, eating with hand is a
You always relish that.
yeah, not myself. Lot of people they enjoy eating by hand.
But sir, how about family picnics and all? Dehradun, I mean, Uttarakhand in itself is such a picturesque place. Have you ever tried to sneak away on a holiday with your family, maybe with your wife and
Oh,
children?
kindly don't suggest this even by means of a question, because otherwise my wife will start. If somebody in my family start asking me have a holiday with the family, then it will be a very great. It will be a very difficult decision for me to make.
Which means it's very clear that it's a long pending demand of your family, huh? Well, what about things like listening to music? Who's your favorite singer?
I love classical music, but
Classical as in what type? are you
or
talking about?
old song,
Okay.
old English.
So who's your old
English song.
favorite old time singer?
पंख होती तो उड़ाती रे रशिया वो बालमा
Would you sing and hum also? I'm sure you would be doing that. You feel like singing also?
No. Well,
I think you're not being honest.
it
sir.
will be if I start singing to my wife will then ask me, oh Baba, I cannot prepare food for you. Gadar Braga.
No, but I'm sure you would be singing something, humming at least a song, maybe once in a day, or does it happen?
I
or you
think
don't?
there is hardly anyone in a living creature. Living creature means with two-leg creature. Everybody hum something.
But which is the first song which really comes to your mind when you're humming? Can we see the Chief Minister humming or singing on the camera now? Maybe if your mood allows. I'm not going to put pressure on you.
Just I'm trying to recall the
Yeah.
song which.
And if you can sing it for the viewers, they'll also see that, Chief Minister
now
also.
I have forgotten.
Who's more romantic, you or your wife? Romantic by heart, I'm saying. That's a difficult question to answer, but I'm going to ask you.
My wife is a simple lady, but I have never asked whether she feels romantic about me or not. but if I will say something that I am more romantic than her, so she will start asking me the question. So,
But okay. Coming
but
to
it is a very difficult question.
Okay. Difficult for you to answer at this age, no? That's what you feel?
Yeah, at this age it is difficult.
Okay. Coming more seriously, sir, you've got a long journey in politics. How do you really see yourself shaping up? Any particular poetry which comes to your mind and which exemplifies your life?
While speaking to the people, to the audience, etc., I recall many such poems. But when you are asking me a question, it's difficult. I am not mentally prepared myself. Because it is the occasion which provokes you to recite or to recall all these things.
But where do you want to see Mr. Harish Rawat maybe in the next 5 years? What is the biggest priority at the moment? Apart from your political career, How would you really
My
see
biggest
yourself
priority
shaping
is
up?
to win the confidence of my people. And for that purpose, I'm working even overtime. But whether I will succeed or not, because the immediate task is to win the election in 2017 for party.
But sir, you've also not been keeping well because of your accident last year which happened. How did it happen? It was a tough time for you at that point of time.
Oh, it's a tough time. This is horrible.
अपनी जिंदगी को जैसा आपने देखा है अभी तक, उसको देखते हुए कोई एक लाइन, कोई पंक्ति बोलना चाहेंगे?
मैंने एक बात ये महसूस की है, जब आप किसी जिम्मेदारी के साथ होते हैं तो फिर आपको अपनी चिंता नहीं करनी पड़ती है, आपको जिंदा दिली से काम लेना पड़ता है. वट एवर सिचुएशन इज कमिंग इन द वे, बी रेडी टू फेस दैट, even if it costs your life, because otherwise you can't deliver, you can't serve, you can't fulfill the aspiration of the people.
Sir, it was a pleasure having you on It's My Life.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.